welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. From August 17 to 24, the Salesian Cooperators of Santa Clara organized for a week in a Salesian house of the Salesians of Playa Guanabo activities of formation, games and entertainment with a group of 22 young people of Santa Clara. During this week, they were divided into teams responsible for cleaning, preparing meals, developing themes and good nights. During the week, they were accompanied by a Salesian deacon and received visits from the 4 Salesian priests of Havana. The trip to reach the chosen place was done by truck and lasted 6 hours. The activity was coordinated by the National Coordinator of the Association of Salesian Cooperators of Cuba, Ania Ravelo, 2 members of the National Council and 2 other Salesian cooperators. This activity was made possible thanks to the financial support of the Salesian cooperators of Santa Clara who now live outside Cuba. Archbishop Paul Sesmo Guerrere, Archbishop of Kampala, presided over the priestly ordination of 3 young Salesians at the beginning of August. Also present at the celebration was Father Pierre Celestin Ngoboka, Superior of the Africa Great Lakes Vice Province, who announced what will be the apostolic fields of the 3 new priests. Father John Paul Kato was sent to the community of Buterere, Burundi, Father Jonathan Ayaku to Namu Gwango, Kampala, Uganda, and Father Joseph Musagala to Kamuli, Uganda. From August 16 to 22nd, 26 conference studying or belonging to the Italian provinces and the province of the Middle East gathered at the St. Thomas Theological Institute in Messina for the customary meeting of the first phase of formation for perpetual profession, which takes place at the first year of theological studies. The experience was held alternating moments of reflection and discussion with opportunities for fraternity. The novelty this year was the presence of many conferees from non-European provinces studying in the theologates of Italy who chose to participate in this formation meeting. In the concluding review, many young conferees emphasized the beauty of coming together, of the confrontation of the family atmosphere they found and that was created in the community during these days. Lay volunteers from the Shrine of Our Lady Help of Christians in Cuyaba distributed baskets containing food, hygiene products and other basic necessities to 200 poor families living in neighborhoods near the landfill in the capital of Mato Grosso on Saturday, August 20th. This is a project that the laity, together with the rector of the shrine, Father Didimo Campos Filho, have been carrying out for 5 years now and from which many needy families benefit. Women and children in Haiti's Salesian communities now have access to improved hygiene thanks to a donation of soap secured by Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission Office based in New Rochelle, United States. The soap shipment was made by Eco Soap Bank, a leading U.S. non-profit humanitarian organization that works to recycle soap and collaborates with other associations to redistribute it to schools, clinics and communities. The Rinaldi Foundation, the Salesian Planning and Development Office in Haiti, received the soap and distributed it. The first distribution was held on Mother's Day to honor the mothers in the community. Salesian chose to prioritize mothers for the first distribution and included soap in the bags that were given out at church. The soap will be utilized for hand washing, bathing, washing clothes and dishes and other uses. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.